This is Trevor endeavouring to get his harness as tight as he possibly can. Right. Please note the side effects and the noises are ace. You take those off because you never have those when you're, and your hat and anything else that you can go for. Right, now pull that one down until you can't stand up straight, a bit more. It's got to be really tight.
That'll do.
Are you sure? Try and stand up, Trev.
I can't stand up.
Then it's right.
It's right.
Right, tuck everything in.
How is it to have to do this on my own, and when you need it, do you have to help you?
How's
that work?
Because I can't video you and help you.
Right. Good job, I know what I'm doing then.
That goes into the pouchy bit.
I know. I've got to
roll it. That's it.
Okay.
Right, on you go. Between the wires. Don't stand. Kneel.
Just have to get on with it. Okay.
Right, I'm coming around here so I can video you, okay?
Right.
Okay. Swing out.
Gloves on.
Yep.
Really.
Hold on to the handle. There's no wind.
Okay.
Right. Lean back and hold on to the handle. Don't hold on to that wire on your other hand, Trev. That's it.
That's what you do.
And push right out.
Hang on.
That's it. Put the other leg out and lean. That's it. Well done. You look so cool. Oh my God, then. That's it. But lean back more. You keep your legs.
Right.
Yep.
Yep, no problem.
But you've got to be flat, Trevor. That's it. Right flat back. What's the song about the flying trapeze, Trevor?
Slow down, slow down. That's it, I'm cool now.
You're cool. Absolutely cool. It's so funny. I have not laughed so much in ages. Now, this is the really ace bit. Get yourself in. In one go. Swing in. Right. You may now get disrobed in your own time. Just one. Go now, do. And this is Trevor getting out of the harness.
Right. How to come? No problem.
Pardon? Not in public.
Okay.
Don't take it right off.
Well, we're not going to use it then.
Yeah, but Trevor, the etiquette is you don't take those right out because it's difficult for some.
That's
Right, are you ready? Are we finished for the day?
yeah, that'll do.